Okay, all right. Jeremy, Xavier, I believe it is time yet again for Flutter Fridays. What do you two think?
I'm very excited. It's been a while.
I agree.
All right, let's go. It has been a while, especially for both of you. Jeremy, were you on the last one?
I was on the last one.
Oh, damn. Okay, well, Xavier wasn't on the last.
Yeah.
I know that. All right, well, welcome back to another installation of Flutter Fridays, or, well, installation. Oh, no. I'm really tired. But it will not just be myself, Jeremy, and Xavier. We are joined by a very wonderful guest, Haimantika. Welcome to Flutter Fridays.
Hi. Hi, everybody. It's
Welcome.
very nice to be here and meet all of you. Hi.
All right, would you like to give a little
Okay.
intro for those that do not know you?
Sure. So, hi, everybody. Welcome to this edition of Flutter Fridays. To give a bit of introduction about myself, I am Haimantika Mitra, and currently I'm a developer advocate at Appwrite. And before this, I used to work at Microsoft in the Outlook and Exchange team, but my base always lied in the community, and that's something that I really enjoy doing, which is why you'll also find me here or in streams like this, even at 10 p.m. my time. Just kidding, I really love doing that. So yes, that's about me. Other than that, you'll also find me sharing memes on Twitter. That's my Twitter handle, by the way. And also talking a bit about plants. I guess I am a boomer in the mind of a millennial. So yes, that's me. That's all about me. Yes, Pranav,
Thank you
you're
so much
right.
for
It's 9:30.
joining us so late.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it. So we'll keep it on time and on schedule today for you. We won't keep you too long.
That's perfectly
All right.
fine. I'm a night owl.
Okay, all right, here we go. Welcome to Flutter Fridays. I think we kind of established that one. That's not the screen that I wanted. What's going on here? Why is it doing this? Hello? Oh, there we go. I was like, what's going on here? All right, happy sysadmin day, everyone. It is the 24th one. I haven't even been alive for 24 years, but just wanted to give this little slide deck or slide to any sysadmin or networking engineer or anyone else that helps along with any administration for systems and networking. Jeremy, Xavier, do you guys want to say anything about this?
Thank you for keeping our internet up.
Thank you.
You're the reason why
Honestly.
Fridays is up right now.
Woo! Sysadmins.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I see Menti is not having a good day today.
Randall
right.
sysadmin
If
on the
you-
first sysadmin day. Wow.
Ooh. Really? Oh my goodness. 24 years ago. Wow.
I'll be 24.
Well, I'll be 23. That's awesome. I'm sure the world is completely different. That sysadmin day must have been completely different to this one. If you're not too sure how this works, you can go to menti.com on your phone or computer. You'll enter that code there, 68623377, or you can just scan the QR code to join the little quiz. And we
Who here
will
scans
talk
the
more
QR
about
code?
the quiz. Sorry?
Who here scans the QR code?
That's a good poll. How does everyone
easy.
join the quiz?
I don't scan it. I enter the code.
Does it just like pop you to Menti? I've never actually tried the QR code myself. Let's try it. Randall says he always uses the QR. Oh yeah, look at that. Just kind of throws you right into the slides. Let's go. We'll give everyone a couple minutes. Leave a heart or a thumbs up.
Oh, it's really cool. The QR
Yeah,
code is always
I
easy.
never tried that.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. And if you miss this slide, you can always look at the top of the screen there, menti.com, and then it has the code up there as well. You won't be able to scan the QR code, but it still works. All right, before we get into the fun today, Jeremy, you want to talk about the rules?
Yeah, there are some rules, everybody. Make sure to have fun. Flutter Fridays is all about fun. Be kind and respectful of everyone in the chat and our guests as well. Be treated the way you want to be treated. And if you have any questions, put them in the chat. If you want to participate, just go to menti.com and put in the code 68623377. And any bad behavior will make you ineligible for any prizes. And see our terms and
And
conditions.
you may wonder, like, there's always the updated recently part. That is still true because we are always updating it because there's always like something new we discover every Flutter Fridays. So when we say updated recently, it is genuinely updated recently. But you can also scan this QR code to take you right there. Xavier.
Okay, thank you. We have some prizes, obviously. We got our first place $25 gift card, second place $15 gift card, and third place $10 gift card. These are all in USD, correct?
Yes, these
USD.
are USDs. Woo! All right, who's going to take it home today? Oh, yes. And before we do move on, just a small announcement for Flutter Fridays. We're not canceling it. We're not canceling. Nothing's happening like that. We are a bit busy here at @sign. We work very, very hard, very often. And so we think we're going to go from bi-weekly and take it to monthly now. So Flutter Fridays will happen once a month, which will make it that much more special. So you can mark your calendars because the next Flutter Friday is, drum roll. Oh, I broke it. Hold on. I broke it. Uh-oh, hold on. As I find our next Flutter Friday. It is August 25th. That will be our next Flutter Friday. So please join us as we do our monthly Flutter Fridays now. Okay, here we go. Back to the slides. Boop. Here we go. So just to warm everyone up for the following questions, what is everyone's favorite dessert? I'm going to have to think about this one. The first thing that comes to mind is tuxedo cake. I don't know about you guys.
We got a cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Oh, what type of ice cream?
Have you guys had that,
It's cheesecake. Yeah. Sorry, Xavier.
no worries. Have you guys had that, Costco, tiramisu cake?
Yeah. Tiramisu is
Oh,
my favorite
yes.
as well.
Oh my goodness. I love going to Walmart. Everyone kind of sleeps on the Walmart cakes, but they're really good.
Really?
So Walmart,
we
if you want to
called you-
sponsor Flutter Friday.
We got you one of those for your birthday. You remember that one?
Yes. Oh, you got it from Walmart?
I think so.
So good, man. Walmart cakes are so good. Oh, creme brulee. Oh my goodness. I had creme brulee probably a month ago, actually. I love
That's pretty good.
is it like torched cheese on top of ice cream, right?
Is that what it is?
Fairy bread. Flutter
Best
Friday
lettuce is nice as well.
fruit cake. What
Boba
is
tea.
gulab jamun? That
I
sounds
can't
good.
boba tea.
So it's an Indian dessert. It's an Indian dessert that's kind of a sponge ball, but that looks brown in color and it's dipped in syrup. Sorry for all the Indians who are here as viewers if I have really ruined the description. But yeah, it's a sweet dish. Yeah.
Oh, Victor, yeah, if you want to join the quiz, there's a code at the top where it says join@menti.com. You can use your phone or computer, and then it'll ask you for a code, and you just input that code and enter, and then you'll be part of the quiz. Marie biscuits with condensed milk. Ooh, banana split with extra ice cream. I like that. I saw another one up here. Mastani? What's Mastani?
Mastani sounds like an Desi dessert as well, but even I don't know what it is.
Oh, it must be really
Oh.
good then.
Okay,
A rare
it's
treat.
from India as well, but I didn't know India is pretty pretty diverse.
Cool. Jeremy, you
Wow.
said yours was boba tea?
Yep.
I can only name one boba tea, and it's still the taro one, and that's the one I get every time.
Taro Sago milk tea.
There we
That was
go.
the thing.
Oh, it's
Solid
taro
classic.
sago.
You don't get the
Yeah.
pudding?
The
The
pudding.
little bubbles is the sago.
Oh, okay. But there's like the big ones too, right? What is
Yeah.
is that not sago?
No, that's pearls or tapioca, or some people call it boba.
Okay. So there is a difference. See, there's too much to it. That's why I just order the taro.
It's a language of its own.
You get the taro with the pudding. That's my favorite.
Oh, someone's favorite
Okay.
dessert is pineapple. Whoa, I love
Healthy.
pineapple. Taro boba tea tastes like cake. It does. I agree. That's probably why I like it so much. All right, and I think we have a question for Haimantika.
Sure.
You made a ASL gesture detector with Azure. Is that correct?
Yes, and that was one of my projects back in college. So I guess it was in 2020 when I made it. You'll never find it anywhere on the internet because except a blog, I guess, because it never made it out of localhost. I think that's how most of our side projects are. But the idea was to actually create an ASL app with Azure. I did make it, and it was just there on localhost. So what I did was, that time I was learning about Azure, and I was trying each and every service that it had, and I was also learning. I really started with a very high interest on AI and machine learning. So that was the time when I was also trying out various algorithms and all of these, and I was very interested in AI. So that is when I came across the service by Azure called Azure Azure Automated Email. Yes, Azure also has some great cognitive services. So automated email is pretty nice. You have a data set. I used to go to my favorite Kaggle. I download a data set. You just need to upload it. It will train the data for you after you give it some tags or labels, and then you just make the app and it deploys. So the app there was very basic. I trained my data set with Azure Automated ML, and what it basically does was I used to show it different characters, and it would read the characters and form the word. And the next step was to convert this words, like the text, into speech, but I never really did it. It's been 3 years now, and I don't think that I'll ever make it again. So yeah, in short,
And that was all
my
for a
very
school
unsuccessful.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
incredible.
That's awesome.
When you said it was
It's like
a local host project, I was like, I relate to that. I have a lot of projects that never made it to local host.
Exactly. That's most of us.
oh, we got some more. Borhani, is that also Indian?
I don't know. Not that
We're
I know
learning
of.
today. We're learning new desserts, guys. This
Yes.
is why we really asked everyone. Mochi? Oh yeah.
A very international crowd.
Which one's mochi again? I feel like I can picture it, but I'm picturing the macaroons instead. Are they similar to the macaroons?
I guess in shape, yeah. It's like
So I had mochi recently in Japan, and it's called daifuku in the local language. It's made of rice flour. Outside is soft in texture, and inside it can be
Oh,
ice cream or strawberries. Yeah, it's really nice.
yogurt-like drink from Bangladesh. Oh, thank you, Randall. That sounds good. I like yogurt. So, all right, let's get into
So
the
the
Flutter
funny-
Friday question. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, Haimantika. Go ahead. One more
No,
thing
I
before
was
we
going
move
to say that I'm from India, but I am Bengali. Like my culture is Bengali, and it's sad that I didn't know about this thing. So we get to learn new things.
Oh,
on
that's
Friday, I
fine.
guess. Yeah.
on. You learn something new every day.
Sure.
All right, here we go. Ready, set, flutter. I will give everyone time to put in their names this time. I was too excited last time.
we're flying through the questions.
I'm
last
still
time.
going to use the default name.
What's the default name?
You'll have to guess.
Oh, is it like the description of the icon itself?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right, we got 18 players ready. Is everyone ready this time? Gonna do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. First question. Which package contains the JSON decode or JSON.decode method? Is it Dart JSON, Dart convert, Dart HTTP, or Dart? That's supposed to be IO
Correct.
instead of O.
No, that's part of the question.
There we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Nice.
All right.
It is Dart convert. Good job. It certainly was a Dart O.
Warm up.
I think we've all
What would
used
Dart O
JSON
be?
decode, right?
The new Dart O package. Let's go.
Oh, two 980s? Okay, Kelvin and Randall. Angel
That's-
Face, is that one you, or Agent X9? David, I feel like David, whenever he plays, he's like always the fastest one to answer.
The last time I've played, I was like consistently last.
I think I would be too, honestly.
Yeah, that's me with quizzes as well. I'm pretty bad at it.
I don't know how everyone answers these questions so fast.
It's the anxiety
Jeremy,
in me
you
that
want-
will never get past any quiz.
They're after the
I-
prize.
Oh, here we go. Jeremy, your one.
All right. Second question. What does the profile build mode do? It compiles it purely for release, compiles it for release, but with some debug functionality, compiles it purely for debugging, or it compiles it for Flutter Web. What does the profile build mode do?
All right. Wow, okay.
Nice.
Everyone's really good at this. Like every time. It's like it always surprises me. Even though like some of these questions are really easy, it's like a lot of you are like Flutter veterans at this point.
Yeah.
Looks like David is still winning it.
Yeah, it's a tight race though. Anyone's game
games.
so far. Would the banana's default name just be like peeled banana or just like banana? Now I'm interested. Yeah, Enzo, it's really tough doing these questions under pressure like this. I don't know how everyone else does it, honestly.
My goal is always to like get on the leaderboard so I'm on stream, you know?
That's a
Now
good
you're
goal.
always on the stream.
True.
Let's go.
All right, Xavier, you ready to take this one?
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
The list view widget can list a blank number of widgets. Constant, variable, both constant and variable, at most 4.
Ooh.
I've got no clue, I'll be honest.
I learned this one too.
I think Hakim made a really funny comment and he's asking if all of the participants here studied. It really makes sense.
I
If you're
definitely
studying
failed
Flutter every day.
every school test.
And you're technically
Yeah.
studying.
This feels right.
Nice.
I was wrong.
Both constant and variable. Man, a lot of people thought constant with that one, but
I would.
Jeremy, did you want to talk about this one? You added this question, right?
Yeah. There's list view, which is just constant, and there's list view.builder, which is still the list view
Ooh.
widget.
Oh,
And you can pass in a variable.
There we go.
builder.
All right, let's see it. Let's see the scoreboard now. 960.
Ooh.
Okay. Ooh.
970.
971 from Agent X9. Oh my goodness.
Who's
wow.
Agent
Krishna
X9?
Kumar is in the leaderboard now.
Ooh.
Wow. This is good. You guys are doing so good this week. I see Vipin on there. Well, welcome, Vipin. How are you doing?
The OGs.
Does anyone have any exciting plans for the weekend?
I do. I'll be sleeping. That's exciting for me.
That is so good. That's the best weekend.
That's what I do for most of my weekends these days, to sleep.
That's the only way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I saw there's like a hotel downtown here, and like the motto is like nighttime is for sleeping, daytime is for resting, and I'm like, that's like my mission statement for every weekend.
That's really nice. I'm going to use it somewhere.
There you go. All right, here we go. Haimantika, would you like this question?
Sure.
Here we go.
So the question is, what is typography in Flutter? And the options are visual aspects of text, weight, slant, space, etc. Then the second one is it refers to the process of animating text elements within the Flutter. And third is a framework for handling touch gestures and interactions with text. And the last one is allows 3D manipulation of text objects.
When it says within the Flutter, I think it's meant to say within the Flutter project. But
Yeah, I was like, within the, okay, I'll just read.
within the Flutter somewhere. It's somewhere in the Flutter. Don't worry about where.
Dark in Flutter. It's doing something in Flutter.
It's
This is Flutter Fridays, so it's implied.
Just focus on the keywords. Ooh.
Oh, nice. Everyone knew that.
Everybody
That was
got it
such an
right.
easy one.
Yeah.
Dead giveaway. Where's my mouse? Okay, there we go. Now, who answered it the fastest, though?
Oh.
Oh.
968 from Enzo. Okay.
Wow.
Oh,
That puts him in the
Nice.
second for
And-
that. Here we go.
Ooh.
Enzo said they're having trouble reading the questions, but then again, they're
Still getting the fastest answer. Here we go. Oh, halftime break. So it's like not really the halftime break, but we're gonna switch up the theme of the questions after this halftime break. Halftime break. So during this time, you can drink some water, stretch your legs. We have a Q&A at the end of the quiz. And in the meantime, we have some questions for Haimantika. Jeremy or
Sure.
Xavier, did you want to ask away?
sure. Could you tell us a little bit about Appwrite?
Sure. So Appwrite is basically a backend as a service, and what it does, it helps you build the backend for both mobile and web applications. So what we have is different SDKs and APIs that you can use to build the backend of your applications for database, then there is storage, authentication, basically everything that you need to build the backend. And when it comes to Flutter specifically, so we have a Dart SDK that is pretty popular and is being used by a lot of Flutter developers. So for anybody who is hearing about Appwrite for the first time, that's something you might want to try out. And the bonus point is Appwrite is open source, so if you want to see what we are cooking, you can always go to a repository and find out there. Plus, Appwrite, the self-hosted version, like you can host Appwrite on Docker. I won't be telling more about it because one of the questions is related to it, but yes, you can either self-host Appwrite or you can also use the cloud version of Appwrite, which is currently in beta. And yes, you can try out either the self-hosted version, which has some one-click setups, or even Docker setups, or you can try out cloud, which is in beta and free for now, but the self-hosted version will always be free for the open source community. So in short, that's Appwrite, just the backend that you need for your full stack applications.
Well, I hope everyone paid very, very close attention to that, because Haimantika just said like the answer to every question coming up.
Yeah.
If you couldn't guess it, Appwrite is the theme.
Who is listening? Who knows their Appwrites?
Yeah, let's see who's paying attention, huh?
Nick Hill says
All
they're
right.
using Appwrite, so surely
Oh, okay, we
we
got
have some
a couple.
expectations from you in this next
Oh.
half of the quiz.
Oh, looks like Enzo did participate in the Appwrite hackathon, so it's probably going to be easy for him.
Another
Alright,
question
Mendel, you got some
Do we have another
competition.
question?
for the audience, and it's kind of on the same
Oh,
topic.
for the audience.
It's how many of you guys have used Appwrite? I know you have one person use Appwrite at least. Let's see how many.
I don't think I've used Appwrite before. I've looked into it though, but I just haven't had the time. What about you,
Yeah, I'll
Jeremy?
be sure
Or
to
is
try it
it-
out. After
Yeah.
hearing about it from you, Haimantika, seems pretty cool. Backend as a service. Very cool.
All right, is everyone ready to move on here? Next question.
Ready, set, Flutter.
Again. Client user. Here we go. So
Nice.
everyone, this is going to be an interesting one.
Yeah. I think it's
Give
going to
everyone
be a
a
guest
minute
game
for
for those who don't know about Appwrite.
And if not, well, everyone's going to learn. And I think that's a really important part of this.
Absolutely.
So I think it's my turn for the question. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. You can install and run Appwrite on any operating system that can run a Docker CLI. False or true? Ooh. I mean, you could kind of mention this one, but what did she say? Yeah,
Tyler's
false or
iconic.
true. Okay, it looks like
Oh,
everyone was paying attention.
almost everybody got it correct.
There we go. Someone went for it though. I respect it. The false or true questions. Break out a tradition, everyone. 982 from David. Okay.
Nice. Ooh, and
What's
so
this
it's leading it.
Agbo? Is that like the name of the volcano there? Enzo leading it. No pressure whatsoever.
Maybe wait a bit.
I'll give
for the
a
next
second. Randall said he got kicked out.
Yeah.
So did Kelvin. All right, I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Here we go, Jeremy.
All right, next question. What is Appwrite?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Let's talk about it. Is it a backend as a service that provides a simple-to-use REST API? Or is it a pub.dev package? Or is it a backend platform to help speed up web development? Or is it all of the above or none of the above?
Oh, well, I know which one it isn't.
I hope people weren't too fast with this one.
I really struggle with multiple choice questions that have all of the above and none of the above.
Oh yeah,
Those
It's
are the ones
awful.
I get.
Everyone has both.
When they have the none of the above
feels
first,
good to
usually all
not
the
be
above.
participating. Oh, it looks like people read it too fast. We got him.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We got him. Oh, is this
Too
going to
close.
upset the leaderboard?
Oh, Enzo.
And so took the time to read all of them.
Yes.
We got him. We got him.
And so it's still topping it.
Oh, there's a little graphic glitch again. Woo!
It's back.
I
The
love
future.
We missed you.
It's the feature.
Come
the
back to
feature.
join.
Okay. Here we go. Xavier. Oh, did we lose someone? Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Question 7. Oh, just kidding. Question 7.
Questions. Appwrite is open source. False or true? Never true or false.
I guess everybody's
Oh,
going to
come on.
get this right.
Yes,
Let's
the
go.
perfect
You.
sleep.
Perfect.
Good job, everyone.
Good.
Yeah, everyone's paying attention.
Everybody
for that
paid attention.
Well, no. If people know the setup, the false and true, they like pre-fire it.
part. We got a 983. Everyone,
There's a
ooh,
986.
Oh, zip it. Ooh,
That was close.
come on, zip it, pull it back.
Close.
I believe in you. Enzo, strong lead there, though. No pressure. No pressure. A 0.7 second. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
We're kind of teetering between 17 and 18 people. I'll give them like 1 second.
I think it's meant to be kicking out people.
It might be. Okay, Haimantika, this one's yours. Question 8.
What's the first step or the most correct step to integrate Appwrite with the Flutter project? And the options are initializing the Appwrite SDK with the Appwrite server URL. Second is adding Appwrite to pubspec.yaml. Next is directly make an API call to Appwrite, and the last one is none of the above.
I put the most correct in there for a couple specific people. Just in case.
I guess this is going to be a tricky one. Let's see. Or if somebody is quick enough to go through our docs and find out the actual answer to it.
Yeah, who's got the Appwrite docs going right now?
Yeah. Enzo said it. Read the documentation.
Wow.
Oh, nice. Good job, everyone. Good job. 982? Oh my goodness. You have to answer so fast to get a 982? Or like anything more than a 980?
So we have Krishna back in the second place, and Sun God is now in the fourth place.
Who's gonna take it home? This is anyone's game, honestly. Oh, we lost someone. Come back. I'll give him 1 second. There we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Question 9. Which of the following is not a method of setting up account authentication in Flutter using Appwrite? Pretty small, but bear with me. Using create method from users API, using create email session method from account API, using create OAuth to session method, or using the create phone session method from account API. These are really specific. I'd be really surprised if those that don't know get this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
Still the majority.
I think people are good at guessing. Or
They must be, honestly.
yeah.
Pretty good. I think it's if you don't know the answer, always choose C. But I find for our audience, if they don't know, they guess A, and that's typically the right answer because we always use A.
Do we?
I think so. We got to go back and get the stats on this.
Yeah. Make a graph or something.
Probably like we're copy and pasting like the question format, and we leave like the highlighted one.
Enzo still holding it down at the top. Oh my goodness, a strong lead. We got 2 questions left though. Is he gonna be able to hold on to it? Pranav, I believe in you. It can happen. It can. You never know what's gonna happen. It might be 2 trick questions back to back. All right, here we go. Oh, we lost someone. Give him 3 seconds. 3 Mississippi,
Volcano.
2 Mississippi,
Volcano.
1 Mississippi, and here we go. Jeremy, your question.
All right, 10th question out of 11. How can you upload a file to Appwrite in Flutter? Firstly, using the create file method from the storage API, using the create document method from the database API, using the write file method from the file API, or all of the above. So how
There are a lot of all of the aboves today.
Yeah.
Oh,
we got him.
Yeah.
Ooh, I told you, Pranav, don't give up. Don't give up. I hope you got that right.
Let's see who's
Nice.
leading now.
Oh, this is going to be a huge upset. Oh, Mr. Doe and Pippin. Let's go. Mr. Doe. All right,
And
huge,
so still
huge.
on number 1.
There's a chance.
Another upset.
Last one.
All right, here we go. Xavier, you get the last one.
Okay. Which of the following is not an Appwrite API?
Uh-oh.
We have account API, users API, Health API, and Messaging API.
Oh my goodness.
which is
But
not.
let's see who knows their Appwrite APIs.
Yeah.
Oh,
Another
No
one.
way. You were right, Tyler. The last two
I
questions.
told you guys. I told
Yeah.
you. Pranav,
That's
don't give up.
interesting.
Wow, yeah. Honestly, I was shocked when I saw that Health API was a real thing.
Yeah.
I'm sure everyone else is shocked too.
You got it.
Ooh, oh, we couldn't bring it
Ooh,
back. I thought someone was
Enzo
going to
won it.
sweep all the way from the bottom of the leaderboard. Enzo, congrats. I guess we can take a picture. Randall has disqualified himself, so first, second, fourth, and I guess fifth can submit their info. But congrats to Enzo. He held it down the whole quiz. I think you can submit
Yeah.
your information here. Oh,
There's
Pranav,
no
fifth, so
right.
close.
No.
You could still submit
Next
your
time.
info though, Pranav, because you came fifth, just in case.
Congrats.
Enzo, first time and winning. Too good.
Oh, wow.
Too good for the quizzes.
Impressive.
So it would just ask you for your name, email, and country, I believe, and your Twitter handle. We'll give everyone a minute there.
Quiz master.
All right, and if anyone has questions for ourselves or Haimantika, feel free to ask away. We have a few minutes.
Yep.
Has anyone submitted the info? Did we get the people, Hakeem? And let me also pull up the resource doc. So if you want to check out more about some of the questions that we have here, you can scan this QR code. I don't think I've updated those questions just yet, so check back in about an hour. There's email validation on Twitter field. Interesting. Hakeem, do you want to collect their Twitter handles from the YouTube chat then, maybe? Sorry about that.
Let's head over to our
I'll have to
Discord.
look into that. Mm-hmm. You can reach out to us on Discord as well, and we can collect your info there.
There's also our email. info@sign.com.
Guess we go back to the question. Yeah, I don't think there's meant to be email validation in the Twitter field. It should just be text or just characters. All right, well, I guess we'll wait a couple more seconds, but Haimantika, thank you so much for joining. That was a fun one today. Thank you.
Yes, it was really nice being here. Thanks a lot.
Jeremy and Xavier, thank you as always. It's always great having you guys on.
Thank you,
It's
Tyler.
always nice to be you.
And thank you to the sysadmins. Happy sysadmins.
Yes.
Yes,
That's cool.
absolutely.
All right, I think Hakeem's just clearing up some stuff, so let's just jam out for the next couple minutes. Oh, is your weather also super hot? Man, it is not a warm day today. I think the high is going to be like maybe like 20 Celsius, which is what, like 70 maybe Fahrenheit?
That's pretty nice.
20. 68. Ah, that's close.
Wow.
That's close. Nice camping weather, I think.
Yesterday was
It's
really
raining.
hot for me.
Oh, really? Over there in Ontario or Toronto?
It was like really humid and very hot.
31 degrees Celsius.
31.
That's
Okay.
pretty hot.
What about you, Haimantika? Is it hot where you are?
It's humid plus it's raining. It's around 24 degrees Celsius. I stay near the
Okay,
hills,
that's not
so
bad.
it's yeah, it's not too bad.
Also got another question here. See? What are you working on these days, Haimantika?
Oh, that's interesting. So a release is coming up for Appwrite, which is supposed to be the biggest release of Appwrite, and it's coming pretty
Ooh.
soon. That's in August, and we're working on that. It's open source again, so you can probably see us pushing some commits or working on this. So that's when you'll get to know what we are building. But yes, on the next release, it's going to push out some features that I believe are going to be my favorite ones in Appwrite right now. And yes, that's it.
Wow, that's exciting stuff. Looking forward to it then.
Yep.
Oh, Enzo tuning in from France. Wow, it's 33 in France. Oh my goodness. That's like, I think, did my math, that's like 92-ish.
It looks like Europe is pretty warm these days. Italy was almost touching 40 degrees. It's pretty bad in Europe right now. Yeah.
How do people become Flutter experts?
Not the question I answered.
Practice, honestly. Always staying up to date with like updates, like Haimantika was just talking about, reading documentation, trying and failing. I think failing is an important part of being an expert in anything. That's the best way to learn is by doing and reaching out when you have questions. There we go. It's a craft. Learn the science and the art. Sorry, what were you saying, Jeremy?
And Flutter Fridays.
And Flutter Fridays. There we go. You get to learn here too. So, and you have fun while doing it. So, we have another question. What's your favorite song? Ooh, that's a hard one. Post Malone just released his album yesterday, which is really good. It's really like indie acoustic. So if you haven't listened to it and you're into that, it's pretty good.
I should check it out. I couldn't answer this. I'm not sure.
Yeah, my favorite music is the Flutter Fridays song. That's true. I secretly listen to them all week, every week.
It's Flutter Fridays every Friday.
I love that. Getting a lot of questions. What's something you all want to learn next outside of work?
Ooh, that's a good question.
Ooh.
Probably an instrument.
Ooh, really? Which one? Which one are you interested in?
Violin.
Oh,
I used to play the violin. You should. Violin's so nice.
I really want to learn the drums.
Oh, that's right. We were talking about you starting the drums, right?
Yeah.
Start a band. Start a band.
Yeah, let's go, Jeremy and the at signs. That's what we'll call it.
The accent band.
That's the band.
It's going to be cool.
That would be great marketing.
Haimantika, what about you?
I have a funny thing, and it's also embarrassing at the same time. So I don't know how to bike as in bicycle. I don't know how to do that. Yes, and I need to do that because if I'm going out anywhere, it's either I need to go, I buy food if public transport is not available, or I need to take cabs, which are pretty expensive. So biking is the next option that I have. And if I don't know how to do that, I either end up spending a lot of money or walking a lot. So I want to learn how to bike. That's
you should.
The next thing.
Biking's a lot of fun.
Yeah. But I'm very scared.
Biking is really like popular here in Victoria. There are like bike lanes on like every road now. It's really biker friendly. I like to see that.
Yeah. I guess even Europe, like especially Amsterdam, is pretty.
Sorry, go on. Haimantika.
Oh, so I was saying that even Amsterdam is pretty biker friendly. Like most of Europe, I guess.
The Flutter Fridays Festival in Prague. Whoever asked this, if you want to see me out there, you can pay for my plane ticket. I will be there for sure. I I don't think anyone from @sign is going. Are they, Jeremy? Do you know? I don't think so.
Not that I know. Maybe.
I guess you can follow us on Twitter, and we'll let you guys know if one of us is going.
Yeah.
Yeah. Randall, gonna learn some more karaoke songs. I forgot that you did karaoke a lot. He only has 200 that he can do. There's so many questions. Favorite anime? I don't really watch anime, so I can't really answer that.
Me neither.
Jeremy.
This one's hard.
Yeah.
Maybe it's Horimiya. I don't know. I have like maybe 9 that are equal.
Oh, wow. Name them
what
all.
are 3 of them? Yeah.
3 of them. My Hero Academia, Bleach, Horimiya, Love is War. I'll have to pull up the list because there are too many. Bungo
Got a
Stray
whole
Dogs.
list.
Yeah.
Hayoma?
Horimiya.
Is that what you said? Okay. What about you, Xavier?
I'm not sure, but maybe Initial D. Initial D.
Initial D.
Nice.
No clue.
I feel like if there would be one, that would have to be mine, just because I'm into cars.
Mhm.
Do you have any hidden talents?
No.
No, same here.
I don't really think so.
Sleep. I'm pretty good at sleeping.
That's yeah. I don't think so.
Darn.
I can't draw or anything. I'm horrible at drawing.
I agree.
If any of you here have watched Friends, you must know that Chandler says that I make jokes when I'm uncomfortable. So that's me, if that counts as hidden talents. So yeah, that's even though it's my humor is broken most of the times, but that's what I do.
I like Enzo's.
Enzo can cook mini rice in 57 seconds. That's pretty impressive, honestly, if you ask me.
That is.
He's speedrunning cooking rice.
That's got to go on the Guinness. books.
Rice any percent. I was watching One Piece, Jeremy.
I'm on like episode 10. I'm still
Out
on
of like
the
1,000, right?
Still 1,400 more to go.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I don't think I'll be ready in time for what is it, August? I don't think I'll be ready.
Oh, is that what everyone's talking about with August 5th?
Yeah, there's like a new climax or something happening.
Oh, okay.
Something big is happening. It's like Endgame if it's like parallel to One Piece, you know what I mean?
Oh.
I don't know.
I can make the castle run in less than 12 parsec. Something tells me that that's not true, Randall. I don't know. Solo barely did it. All right. Well, I think that's all the time we have. I promised Haimantika
Yes.
we would end on time. That was 4 minutes ago. So
Oops.
thank you so much, everyone.
That's
This was
perfect.
great.
Same here.
Thank you for all your questions.
See everyone on August
And-
25th. Write it
That's
down.
correct.
Yeah.
You have plenty of time to study. Plenty of time.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your Flutter Friday and have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.